Hi Paul, this is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video going over your website, showing you how to get some free leads, as well as discuss your overall online presence. So to start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks for three specific aspects when ranking websites along the Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important for organic movement of your website, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So you have a little there, but not a lot of content, right? Let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds these content-rich sites, and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. So if I'm doing some research on some different carpet cleaners in your area, I'm going to recommend that you have anywhere between 1,000 or 1,500 words of content on your home page alone. This will both allow you to be found by Google when it does that sweep of the internet, as well as outrank any competition and content alone, getting good organic movement of your website. Next, let's go to every additional service page that you offer. And what we typically recommend, let me see how you have it set up here. So we typically would recommend that if you're going to list your services down here as well, that these headings be internally linked back to the page it refers to. So this one would be linked to the carpet cleaning page, Oriental rug cleaning, and so forth. But for every service page that you have, we recommend between 750 to 1,000 words of content. And this is why. So one, it adds a lot of content to our site, right? And what do we know about content? Google loves it. With that, we also get to appropriately put specific keywords in place that allow you to be found on several different searches. For instance, this is Ahrefs, and it's just a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet. And I see you're getting about 26 people worth of traffic to your website every month, which isn't bad, but we typically see this 2 to 3 times as high for people ranking on page 1. So let's look at the keywords that you're currently ranking for and see your position. As you can see, you're ranking #1 for your business name, as you should, and then you're #2 for a couple of the others. Some more Ericson carpet cleaning for #8. So you're ranking for a few on page 1, but most other search-related topics, other than your business name, you're on page 2 for. So we just need to get appropriate keywords placed within our site on those specific pages so that you show up as a search result on those specific searches that people are doing in your area. So maybe just a little bit more research and we can find some more keywords for you. Next, I'm going to take you to this UR and DR number. UR is directly related to citations. And when I do a basic Google search, the very first thing I see is this Google map. And as I see here, you do have a top position on the GMB, which is great because these top 3 are going to get more business based on exposure. So what I recommend is continue to get more citations till you're the #1, and then continue to get more to where you make the gap between you and the people under you even larger so that you remain in this top position. Even having a top 3 spot here, the one who typically has the top position gets the most clients and the most clicks on their website. So definitely reach for that goal. Try to get to that top position, and in doing so, you're going to have your UR number here go up. Lastly, let's talk about backlinks and this DR number. A backlink is anywhere that your business's website is linkable and clickable on another business's website. So think Angie's List or Home Advisor. The more backlinks you have on good, trusted, referring domains that have a lot of traffic coming to them, the more influence is going to point back to you and your site. And the more influence you have referring back to you, the higher this DR number goes. We want both of these numbers to continue to climb higher. That's going to throw a lot of stability over your position on the Google platform. So right now it can be kind of variant. You can see you went up and then down, down, down. So you've kind of been on like a steady decline here. Having these constantly moving up is going to make you more stable within your position on Google. Well, Paul, I hope this was good information for you. If it's not too much trouble, send me that quick email. Let me know what you thought about this information. But for now, that's all I have, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.